Hi everyone, today's video we're going to make a tiny matchbox suitcase. And I thought this would be a cute little suitcase to put some little tiny embellishments in. So I shared these embellishments, like this cute llama from that Llama Punch. And then we've got that little bunny from that Sizzix die. Here's a little tassel that I made. So it can fit all your little embellishments in here. Some butterflies. This is a Sizzix bow. And then some sentiments that I put some pop dots in the back. And this little house I fussy cut from one of the design papers. And then I put a pop dot on the back of that. So you could, give some little tiny embellishments to someone. This little tiny suitcase. And then it just slides in like so. And then I added a little tassel to hang on there. There's another one. So it's really cute. I wanted to use up some of my 6x6 paper pads, and that's what inspired me to make this little tiny size. Okay, so let's go ahead and make it. I went ahead and pre-cut all the papers. So I used the Good Vibes crepe paper pad. Okay, so for the box, it's going to be 4.5 inches wide by 4 inches in height, and I'll put all the measurements down below. So that's the box. For the cover, it's going to be 3 1/16 wide by 5 3/4 inches in height. Okay, so wide and then height. Sorry, the height's 5 3/4. And then the liner for the box is going to be 1 3/4 inches in height, and then 2 7/8 wide. And then the handle is going to be 1/2 inch in height and 3.5 inches wide. Okay, so let's start with the cover first. So for the cover, on the 3 1/16 inch side, you don't need to do anything. But on the 5 3/4 inch side, we're going to do some scoring. Just turn it over. You're going to score at 1/2 inch, 2 5/8, 3 1/8, and 5 1/4. Okay, and then we'll just burnish those score lines. Okay, and then we'll set that one aside. Now let's make the box. So the box, on the 4.5 inches wide side, we're going to score at 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/4, 1 1/4, 3 1/4, 3 3/4, and 4 1/4. And then you're going to turn to the 4 inch side. You're going to score at 1/2 inch and 3 1/2. Okay, and then I'm going to mark it with my pen which ones you're going to cut out. And it's the same on all 4 sides. So you're going to cut the 2 tabs on all 4 corners. Okay, so just cut those out. This is, a fun project, especially we have collected a ton of 6x6 paper pads, and it's a great way to use it. Okay, so on the 4 inch side, you're going to cut a slit right here. And I cut it at an angle. It just makes it easier to build the box. So when you cut the slit, just cut a little piece at an angle. Do the same to all sides. Okay, so you're going to fold in those score lines. The 1/4 inch one you're going to fold back, okay? So let's just fold those down. And then the end piece, the 1/4 inch one, you're going to fold back. So we're just going to burnish these real quick. Pull this back. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to fold in these little tabs, add your glue. So add your glue here. Give it a little pinch. Just hold it down for a few seconds. And then you're going to add adhesive to the 1/4 inch piece. So just this end right here, just add some glue. And thank you, Erica, Scrap Diva 29, for sharing this glue. She had shared that she found it at the Dollar Tree store. And I was surprised because Beacon, it's pretty expensive glue. If you buy, I think it was 8 ounce. So for, what is this, a 1.75 ounce, it's only $1. So I thought that was such an amazing deal. So thank you, Erica, for sharing that. Okay, so there's your box. Okay, and then we got the little box liner piece. We're going to glue that down. Just glue that in there. And you can cut this a little bit larger if you want it to fit in the box a little bit more. I'm okay with it just being this size. Okay, so you can always change the dimensions to that. Okay, so next we're going to get our cover. And I start with this piece. Wait, hold on, let me see. How did I do this? Yeah, okay, so when you fold this down, just keep in mind this is going to be the front, okay? The bottom piece right here is going to be the front of your suitcase. And the reason being is because when we fold this in like this, I want the folded end facing front, okay? So we do that, and then I add the glue to this. And just hold it down like so. Okay, and then there you got your little matchbox. Cute little suitcase. Now we're going to make the handle. So on the handle on the 3.5 inch side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch. And then at 3. Okay, and then I fold it back. And then I just do this with my hand. Give that curl. Okay? You can use your bone folder, or if you have that Sizzix curl tool, you could do that. Because it's such a small piece, I just use my hands. Okay? And then you're just going to, where's the bottom? Okay. You're going to place it to the edge, like so. Same with this. Okay. And there you have it. You got your cute little suitcase. And then you fill it up with some really cute tiny embellishments that you can make and send it out to a crafty friend. Thanks for watching. Bye.